Hi, I'm Shani, VP Healthcare at StackAI, and today I'm going to show you why designing agentic AI systems is like assembling furniture in IKEA. Follow me. So, think about it. What comes in every IKEA box? That's right, instructions and tools, same as an AI agent. We're giving the agent instructions and tools in order for the agent to do their job, and the brains is like a human that puts together the box. What if the task is to assemble this very simple side table? What would you do? You would open the box, read the instructions, and put together by yourselves. 15 minutes task, right? This is called a single worker architecture for simple tasks, like writing a document. This is one input, one output, and one single brain, the agent. So what if you needed to do a more complex task, such as a whole entire wardrobe? This is very complicated, right? There are many parts. What would you do then? That's right, you call for help. Maybe there is one person who is reading the instructions and there are others who are fulfilling the tasks. For example, the dad is drilling and the little kid is sorting out through the different parts. This is called a hierarchical multi-agent workflow. This is used for more complex tasks where there is a supervisor or an orchestrator agent and there is a bunch of other agents following what the orchestrator is ordering. What if you had to furnish a 20-unit apartment building? What would you do then? Would you do it by a single worker? Would you call some help? Probably not. You will bring a professional team. There will be plumbers, electricians, painters, right? But how would you furnish the 20 units? One by one? Probably not. You would bring the plumbers to do 1 day of plumbing, the electricians to do 1 day of electricity. This is called a sequential agent workflow, where each tasks follow each other. Each one of these agents pass the output to the other. This is good for things like invoice processing. What if you wanted to do a creative task, like putting together a hidden doorway from a bunch of IKEA shelves? You would brainstorm, right? You would talk to a bunch of people, you would do your research. So, same with AI agents. This is called a decentralized swarm, a bunch of agents talking to each other to reach a conclusion. This is good for stuff like market research, for example. So in visual workflow agent builders, you can actually see the differences between the different architectures. And based on the task that you have, you can build the right architecture that is meant for that specific task, using your own company's tools and integrations. Platforms like StackAI do that for you. To summarize, 4 basic agentic AI designs. The first one, single worker. The second one, hierarchical multi-agent workflow. The third one, sequential. And the fourth one, decentralized swarm. All of these are the basics of agentic AI systems. And this is why designing AI agents is like assembling furniture in IKEA.